प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल आईडी ते हुए करते हुए ते रूल मेन वर्ब फोर्थ प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस सेकेंड सेंटेंस रोते हुए वह मेरे पास आया वीपिंग ही केम टू मी नोट when two work are done at the same time by single subject then present participate tense used there smiling she spoke sitting she began to spoke suddenly she sleep sitting on elephant fell down sitting an elephant fell down flying a bird flew flying a crow got tired smiling she came to me and began to say you are just like tail of dog talking she made me a food talking he forgot I saw him dance I saw him visiting on duty I found you sleeping I heard him speaking Hindi I felt anyone weeping at night while के समय ते दौरान फर्स्ट सेंटेंस प्लस वाइल प्लस मेन वर्ब फोर्थ प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट ही फेल्ट डाउन वाइल वॉकिंग ही स्लेप्ट वाइल स्टडिंग एन एलिफेंट सेट डाउन वाइल सिटिंग ही स्लेप्ट वाइल वॉचिंग टीवी ही बिगेन टू वीप वाइल सिटिंग वांटेड चाहता था आई वांटेड टू गो आई वांटेड टू से समथिंग आई वांटेड टू डू MBA We made them go away from India in 1947 when we became united enemies got scared. I made Priya to take a bath while milk, butter and a honey or I got him beaten, I got my hair cut, I got my shirt washed, I got my watch repaired, I got this work done. Negative didn't. Main verb first, I didn't talk with friends. I didn't made him understand. I didn't see. I didn't know, that's why I didn't come. I didn't want to hurt you. I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't come yesterday, that's why I don't know. Did you go there? Did you talk? Who? Past simple. Who? तो helping verb नहीं use होता. Who said? Who came when, went, speak, thought. Who beat you? Who told you? Who wanted to die? Who wanted to see? Who saw? Who did speak English? Who did want to go? Who did want to go? Who didn't want to go? Who didn't try? Did. ता तो था ती तो थी ते तो थे सब्जेक्ट प्लस डिड प्लस मेन वर्ब फर्स्ट प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट आई डिड टीच आई डिड से आई डिड टॉक विद हिम आई डिड इन्फॉर्म यू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड यू डिड कम आई सेड नथिंग आई डिडंट कम यस्टरडे पास्ट कंटिन्यूस आईडी रहा था रही थी रहे थे हुआ था हुई थी हुए थे रूल सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज वर प्लस मेन वर्ब फोर्थ प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट आई वॉज सिटिंग आई वॉज मेकिंग फूड आई वॉज स्टैंडिंग बाय द गंगा साइड वर यू स्लीपिंग वर यू वॉचिंग TV हाउ नाउ HW होमवर्क फॉर यू गाइज सुबह का समय था ठंडी हवा चल रही थी मैं गंगा नदी के तट पर खड़ी हुई थी सूर्य धीरे धीरे पहाड़ों के पीछे लाल गेंद की तरह निकल रहा था और अपनी किरणें चारों ओर बिखेर रहा था सूर्य की किरणें नदी के पानी पर पड़ रही थी एवं वे हीरे की तरह चमचमा रही थी नदी शांति से बह रही थी नदी कल कल कर रही थी पक्षी नीले आकाश में उड़ रहे थे वे चहचहा रहे थे गाना गा रहे थे या दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क in past continuous sentence and past form so do make this topic in English now while whereas जबकि he was abusing me whereas I was sitting silent he was watching TV while I was studying he was taking wine while I was talking just wife was sleeping while husband was making food he was weeping while I was smiling I was going whereas he was coming he was fighting me instead of helping with me they were talking instead of studying I am not behind of anyone I can speak English now some advanced English like wanna so it's wanna wants to want to wanna wants to wants ta सो आई वी यू दे के साथ हम wanna यूज़ करते हैं ही शी इट के साथ एंड नेम के साथ हम wants ta यूज़ करते हैं नाउ आई wanna go home He wants to go home. Gonna, going to. Wrong. Now listen to me. I gonna go. She gonna go. We gonna do. Gonna. No. Right guy? I'm gonna go. She's gonna go. We are gonna go. He's gonna go. He's the sound. He's gonna go. He's gonna go. It's gonna go. Like this. Like this, I practice every day. I speak confidently and courageously. Every sentence I speak makes me stronger. Day 53 complete. Comment and speak aloud. Keep the energy high. Bye.